There was a one-hour interview on CNBC with Warren Buffett, the second richest man who has donated $31 billion to charity. Following are some very interesting aspects of his life. Very cheap that time. Encourage your children to invest. He bought his first share at age 11 and he now regrets that he started too late. Things were very cheap that time. Encourage your children to invest. He bought a small farm at age 14 with savings from delivering newspapers. One could have bought many things with little savings. Encourage your children to start some kind of business. He still lives in the same small 3-bedroom house in Midtown Omaha that he bought after he got married 50 years ago. He says that he has everything he needs in that house. His house does not have a wall or a fence. Don't buy more than what you really need, and encourage your children to do and think the same. He drives his own car everywhere and does not have a driver or security people around him. You are what you are. He never travels by private jet, although he owns the world's largest private jet company. Always think how you can accomplish things economically. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, owns 63 companies. He writes only one letter each year to the source of these companies, giving them goals for the year. He never holds meetings or calls them on a regular basis. Assign the right people to the right jobs. He has given his CEOs only 2 rules. Rule number 1, do not lose any of your shareholders' money. Rule number 2, do not forget rule number 1. Set goals and make sure people focus on them. His advice to young people, stay away from credit cards, bank loans, and invest in yourself. And remember, money doesn't create man, but it is the man who created money. Live your life as simple as you are. Don't do what others say, just listen them, but do what you feel good.